my name is Leilany and this is Keilany. Today we're gonna do a shimmer and shine carpet. So these talk when you put it up and down. So let's get started. So right here there's a magic carpet, and then right here where shimmer and shine is, you can see there's little pillows, and that's where shimmer and shine will sit down. And here's shimmer and here's shine. They both have the same thing as the movie. So let's get started. So now we just need to take her out. Came with two little dolls. This is Shimmer and this is Shine. They both have the same kind of things, except this one's pink and this one's blue. And they have soft hair too. So the second thing that it's big carpet, magic carpet. It can also go too. As we were saying, these dolls are really special because they have soft hair. They have clothes, you could take them off, pants. And the wristbands of Shimmer and Shine, they could take off. So just pull them off. But be really careful.
Oh, he took off his shoes too.
So I got one wristband off, and then to put it back on, you just push it back in. And there.
See? So easy.
So much better. Like this. One shoe. Put it back on. They could also take off their pants.
Yeah.
Maybe everything is kind of removable, but not really all of it. So the hair, as you see, there's this real hair on the top of her, on the ponytail is real hair. Then right here is just like parting.
Yeah.
And then the jewel, her pretty blue eyes, her little smile, and her eyebrows.
Here's mine.
And she could also sit down. She could stand up too. So you have to put the dolls right here. I think you just put them on, and then they fly. Wait, it's not on. I forgot about Shimmer, guys. Shine was about to leave Shimmer.
Shine.
She needs to get on. Come on, little Shine, get on. Take your little hook. Oh, I forgot. So there we go. There are the two little twins. Not to just turn it on. This little button. Oh, so on the back of them, you see a little jewel.
Ready, Shimmer?
And you Shine. And the second special thing is on any kind of floor, but except the carpet, it can roll all by itself. So we're gonna show you an example. Okay, so
And down, and side to side. What a magic ride!
oh wait, hold on. So as you see, they were walking.
Woohoo! I love flying with you. It's a wish come true.
Okay. comment down below, thumbs up, subscribe. Bye, YouTubers.